Bija, I was always very severely bullied. And again, ma ngħidx daw l-affarijiet għax miskina, but I speak because there needs to be more awareness.
Fuq xiex kienu jaqbdu miegħek jiġifieri?
Fuq il-familja tiegħi, fuq il-weight, fuq kollox, fuq l-inkanta, a lot of things, ġifieri jiena Alla ħares, again, growing up, smajt farka mill-li smajt. Għax I wouldn't be standing here today, żgur. Jindu laqat minn taħat irnexxi kemm tistona, kemm ma tafx, inti wisqoxna biex titla' fuq il-palk.
Kienu joqogħdu jiġru biex ma tlaħħaqx magħhom.
Mela, I was always the chubby one in the classroom, ġifieri, it's not a secret, it's the truth. U jiena dejjem xtaqt inkun mal-grupp, eżin ikun hemm grupp fil-klassi biex niftehmu. And I was always very bubbly and I felt like I fitted with them. Imma kienu eżempju jinnaf u meta jiġi l-break jitilqu jiġru, jien ovvja mhux ħanlaħħaq magħhom biex jiena ma noqgħodx magħhom fil-grupp ovvjament u jqogħdu jitqu daw l-affarijiet u jien vera ovvjament again kif ħadd tispjega tifla żgħira li daw ma jridux joqogħdu miegħek and they're running because you cannot catch up to them. Fimt?